You know what makes me feel pain? I put so much work into my videos, trying to make it so entertaining. I have literally 39 videos. 39. 12 subscribers. And literally like 600 views. My most likes is 900. I can't believe it. And then, I have this channel like for 3 years, and I tried to make my dream come true. And then my friend just come, make a channel, pops up 2 days, 24 subscribers, most like over the 20, and more views. And he only has like 6 videos. I can't believe that. I didn't like that. That's so sad. How? And I'm just here, so sad, sitting here. How is that possible? Please like and subscribe my channel. Just please. I beg you. If you see this video, please. Just comment anything. I don't even got comments. The only comments I got is from my actual friends. So please, I beg you, really, please subscribe. Thanks for watching this. I just want to make someone's day happy.